In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a video from Google Drive. Fix Today here, let's begin. First, go to the Google Drive website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside, head over to my drive or shared with me, depending on where your video is stored. Now, locate the video file you want to download. When you find it, right-click on the file name or click the three vertical dots next to it to open more options. From the menu, select Download. Google Drive will then start preparing your file. If the video is large, you might see a message saying that Google Drive can't scan the file for viruses. This is completely normal for bigger files, so just click Download anyway to continue. After that, the download will begin automatically. By default, the video will be saved to your computer's downloads folder. If your system prompts you to choose a location, simply pick where you want to save the file and click Save. Now, if you want to download multiple videos at once, you can do that as well. Just hold the Control key on your keyboard and select multiple video files. Once selected, right-click on any of them and choose Download. Keep in mind that when downloading multiple files, Google Drive will automatically compress them into a zip file. This means you'll need to extract the files after downloading before you can use them. If you prefer not to deal with zip files when downloading large or multiple videos, there are alternative methods available. You can check out a separate guide linked in the description or comments that shows how to download files without zipping. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.